reach them. Always make sure the message I reach them.
Yvette, come here. Well, I'm a load and the whole of them are for me. See the whole of them, see the... What that good for?
Strong juice, man.
Strong juice.
Yeah, the back.
Back.
More flex level. Alright, like all them good
There's a
pieces.
flax seed right there, so.
Yeah.
There's a sunflower seed.
Sunflower seed.
Yeah, I see it.
You know that one another?
A sesame seed, that
Yeah,
man.
sesame seed.
That's a sunflower right there, so.
Yeah.
Pumpkin.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Nice show piece. Nice rice and peas.
Rice and peas.
Wow, all the good old gungo.
Gungo.
My God, man. This all this 13 mixes, you know.
What that?
There's a mixture. Strong American porridge. Yeah, mix with the peanut if you want to. I'm not on the peanut right now. You know, so all them things are nice to eat, man. At the right stuff, them, man.
Cheese back of 100 now.
Sorry.
Yeah, we have two plum and Jimbilly.
Next time you come with something I play, you can video or kind of all fun latch down.
Just touched down at the airport.
Come capture that one up face over there, so.
Lady want a real good rat pies and powder, roast powder.
And catch a rat.
Yeah, you have to catch him before you cook him. Eat the man how you like him. You have to catch him.
Come here when rain fall too. And Christmas a come. And next week market.
Full.
Whole evening, whole night, and no light, no did so. 140.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.